You are what you eat collection. Eat like a horse. Bite off more than you can chew. Cooking from scratch. You are what you eat. Have bigger fish to fry. Eat like a horse. To eat far more than the average person. I've been eating like a horse over Christmas. I have to go on a diet after the new year. Bite off more than you can chew. Try to do more than one is capable of doing. By accepting 2 part-time jobs, he is clearly biting off more than he can chew. Cooking from scratch. Preparing a cooked meal by using basic ingredients that are not processed. It's best to cook from scratch whenever possible. You are what you eat. It refers to the idea that food controls a person's health. To be fit and healthy, you need to eat good food. To stay healthy, it's best to keep off junk food. You are what you eat. Have bigger fish to fry. To have other, more important things to do. I do not have a lot of time to spend on this issue. I have bigger fish to fry.